Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video. In this video friends, we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting. So in this video guys, I will show you guys how can you customize your font size. Friends, you want to customize your font size in your Oppo phone. So friends, you can customize yourself. And guys, now let's see how to customize font size in our Oppo phone. In this video, I will show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to customize it. Then guys, scroll it. And as you can see guys, your personal station setting, and tap here. Just click on font and display size, and let's go. And as you can see guys, your font size, so you can customize yourself. Like you want to customize into small size, default size, medium size, large, and very large. So we will customize into guys medium size and apply. So as you can see guys, your medium font size in your Oppo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to customize font size in our Oppo phone. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.